Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the D&S IQ Touch Free Car Wash at Roadster Car Wash. This is going to be my first time exploring a D&S IQ Touch Free. In the left face, the D&S i5000. So let's wait behind the vehicle. So I'm going to go and put you on the dash.
So that's touchless over there?
Yeah. Okay, that truck is going in.
He is
starting to go in because you see that light is green.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Oh, green means okay. So we'll be next.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you on the dash for both bays to watch both of them.
Please proceed into the wash.
That's an Exacta pay station. You can roll down the window if you want.
I gotta keep moving because there's a Corvette behind us.
Yep, there's a Corvette.
Okay, windows up.
Yep, and we're on our way back from Houston. We decided to stop by this wash because we carried a little bit of bugs.
And it's rare, right? It's a rare system.
Seems like they replaced the old Super 5000 to an IQ Touch Free, and I haven't filmed an IQ Touch Free at all. Even though we came here to film a Super 5000, but it got replaced.
That's okay though.
But that's okay, guys.
Yeah.
But at least I haven't filmed an IQ Touch Free.
Yeah, I don't remember doing this one.
Right, we haven't been here before. I've been doing IQ Soft Touch back in September 2017. And guess what? The slide down credit card reader worked.
Oh.
And one slide down. It did not even say retry your card. Good, go that boom. It kinda smells good. I can smell that through my mask.
You actually can smell it, huh?
Yeah, it's a very strong scent.
Smells clean, don't it?
Yeah, that
Okay.
smell is strong.
All right.
That seems like a strong smell, though. Hey, what do you think about this touchless wash? Is it good, my grandpa? Oh wow, looks like it's doing the colors.
Is that a trifoam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if the boom's gonna go down. Nope. Now it's spraying the side and the top. Look at the side, those spinning blades. Spraying water.
Oh, that's what it. Oh, this is touchless, isn't it?
Yeah, these spinning blades.
I forgot about that.
Looks like the spinning blades can do a good job at cleaning the car. Let's see what we get next. Okay, it's getting closer to the car. Looks like that's profiling the size of the car. Since the machine since the boom on top got closer to it as it went down.
Right.
Okay, it's lifting up. And the blades are spinning on the side.
The dryer's gonna start?
I think it's about to do a spot-free rinse. I think that the truck in front of us got the same wash option as we were getting, but we already got it right now though. Seems like this is the spot-free rinse. Actually, no, it's not. Oh, it's doing color wave. So I think the truck in front of us probably got a different wash package. Which I don't know if it's color wave, but it seems pretty nice though.
I think it's real good.
Okay, looks like that's the boom that came down. Yep, there it goes.
When have we seen this system before?
The Soft Touch system? I think 3 years ago. Like, I think the one in Lake Worth, Texas was a Soft Touch D&S IQ. The one with blue and green brushes. Yep. Okay, now we go. The light is green.
Oh, we go. Sorry, I thought it went around us, buddy.
Yeah, but now here comes the dryers.
Okay. So we're just going slow through.
Looks like the dryer terminal's on the left side of the blue wall. The blue wall.
Oh, okay. Now I can time it.
Yeah. See if the camera's gonna focus at it. Hopefully so.
What do we got left?
Let's see.
Oh, is that the dryers moving?
That was the machine resetting to the front.
Okay. What do we got All right, so we're in drive. We're on some kind of a bump. Yep. Okay,
And there go the manual bays.
Okay.
But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bays one last time, like the front of it,
Okay.
as we head on out.
In a minute here after the traffic clears.
Yep. Give it a minute.
Take a quick little break at the Shell, and we'll be in Rockwall no later.
There go the
3 p.m.
Roadster Car Wash sign. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus at it.
Okay, so we'll turn this way. Was busy car wash.
Yeah, there's a D&S IQ Touch Free and a D&S i5000 next door, and there goes some manual bays. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was a D&S IQ Touch Free 2.0 car wash at the Roadster Car Wash. Bye.